was this Pythagoras? Was he the father of the occult? Who was this man that inspired the present-day Kabbalah, the Masons, and countless other occult orders? The best way to answer these questions is by unveiling the occultic nature of numbers. Because with numbers, I will prove beyond a doubt that the world you live in is based on a carefully constructed lie, a constructed script. All of us, pawns of the chessboard, manipulated from our births to our graves. Gematria, a Kabbalistic system of interpretation of the scriptures by substituting for a particular word another word whose letters give the same numerical sum. The substitution of numbers for letters of the Hebrew alphabet, a favorite method of exegesis used by medieval Kabbalists to derive mystical insight into sacred writings or obtain new interpretation of the text. Some condemned its use as mere toying with numbers, but others consider it a useful tool, especially when difficult or ambiguous texts otherwise fail to yield satisfactory analysis. So let's first look at the connection between this being named Pythagoras and the number 9. First, we will find the gematria of Pythagoras. Take a look at the numerical value of each letter. P equals 80. U equals 400. Q equals 9. A equals 1. G equals 3. O equals 70. R equals 100. A equals 1. S equals 200. I want you to notice two things. First, look at this name Pythagoras as it is written in the Greek. Notice the 9 letters. Count them. Now, let's find the occult sacred number. When you add the value of each number, you will find that it equals 864. Now, here is a vital point to understand. The occult means to hide. Hidden within the sacred number 864 is a hidden number. To find this hidden number, the occult count from left to right. They count until they get one single integer. That number can be 1 through 9. Although 10 is of the sacred integers, it is considered in a class by itself. There are also other sacred integers, and these are called master numbers. And these numbers are as follows: 11, 22, 33, 44, 55, 66, 77, 88, 99. But these are for another discussion at a later time. For now, we will focus on the numbers 1 through 9. Okay, now let's take these numbers and add them together from left to right and find the hidden number. Now, as you can see, 864 becomes 18. Now when you add from left to right again to find the sacred integer, we get number 9. So, as you can see, the hidden number within the name Pythagoras is 9. Before we examine this number 9, Let's look at this number 864. Did you know that this number 864 is also related to pi? But before we get to this, let's see the power of this number 864. Here are a few facts. There are 864 seconds in a 24-hour day. So, 864 seconds equals 1 solar day. When you divide 864 seconds by 60, which is 1 hour, you get 144 minutes. There are 144 minutes in a 24-hour solar day. So when you divide 144 by 60, you get 24 hours. So here we see a connection between the name Pythagoras and our 24-hour day. Let's make another connection. This being named Pythagoras revered symbols. Two of his most revered symbols are the sphere and the detractus. First, we look at the detractus. Notice it is constructed of 10 smaller spheres that make up a triangle. Now, here is a quick explanation about the detractus. And it reads, the detractus is a symbol composed of 10 spheres in an upward pointed triangular formation. It was a sacred pattern for the school of philosophers who followed the teachings of the Greek sage Pythagoras, whom lived in the 6th century BC. They used the detractus to swear their oaths upon in much the same way the modern Christians swear oaths upon the Bible. The Pythagorean oath, as quoted by the Renaissance musician Cornelius Agrippa, is as followed. I will pour mine by the number 4 do swear. That's holy and the fountain of nature eternal, parent of the mind. End quote. Some authorities claim that the oath was sworn to the, quote, one who bestowed the detractus to the coming generations, end quote, which might be interpreted to mean the monad or the teacher Pythagoras. Probably all three, God, Pythagoras, and the tetrad, were in the mind of the individual taking the oath. However, I believe that the oath was primarily focused upon the detractus itself as the symbolic blueprint of creation. Donald Tyson of www.donaldtyson.com. Okay, I read this article to bring your attention to the importance of this symbol. Also notice how this symbol makes up the triangle. Now keep this in mind, because we will revisit this triangle as we proceed into this journey of deprogramming. So now we look at this symbol called the sphere, which many of us know as the circle. How many degrees make up a circle? 360. So this symbol, the sphere, is represented by the number 360. So what is the importance of this number 360? Well, let's see. What if we take the number of Pythagoras, which is 864, and multiply it by the number of the sphere, which is 360? What number do we find? 311040. Did you know that our moon has a circumference of 2,160 miles? 2,160 miles multiplied by 12 equals 311040. Let's take our 24-hour day, which is 86,400 seconds, and multiply it by 360. Now, we find this huge number, 31104,000. So what is this number? This number equates to 31,104,000 seconds. 31,104,000 seconds, which is one complete year of 360 days. Now this number, 360, is going to be very important as we progress in the future series. So keep this number in your mind, because 360, like the number 9, is one of the keys to it all. Now let's take the numbers that we've found so far and find another hidden number. We take 864, which is Pythagoras. We take 311040, which is the connection between the Earth and the Moon. We take 31104000, which is the number of seconds in a 360-day year. Now, let's add all of these numbers together and see what we find. 31415,904. So what is this hidden number? Hidden within the name Pythagoras and the sphere, we find pi, the radius of a circle. But what is hidden within pi? Let's take this number and add it up from left to right. 31415,904. We get 27. Now let's add one more time. 2 plus 7 equals 9. So here we are, back where we started. 9. The number of Pythagoras, 864. 9. The number of the sphere, 360. 9. The hidden number behind 311040. 9. The hidden number behind 31104000. 9. The hidden number behind pi.